Hello, welcome to Snooch's Customs. Today we are showing a custom color change digital alarm clock. Big screen. As you see, these are some custom templates that I put on here. You can put any type of picture logo you want. Let's turn it on. Just to let you know, batteries are included. Okay, as you see, it shows the temperature in your house and it can show the phone number. I mean the time. So you go to the back of it. That's how you control all those type of functions. Then you set it down, and when you want to change the colors, you just tap it. Then it lights up and it changes colors. That's how we rock in Snooch's Customs. Get at me for prices and details.